Today we're making plant-based zoodles that are absolutely out of this world delicious. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're going to spiralize one zucchini. I did one zucchini and one squash, but you could do whatever you want. Okay, this one, the blade was set at this kind, and this is not how I wanted it. I wanted it like spaghetti. So I saved those for later. I'm gonna make some chips or something. Now it's set at spaghetti. This is only my second time using one of these machines, so it took me a minute, but it was, once I actually opened up the instruction book and looked at it, it was easy peasy. Okay, now we're gonna boil 1 cup of water, half an onion, some sprigs of oregano, 1 tomato, 2 teaspoons of vegetable bouillon, get in there, okay, 2 red peppers, and 3 tablespoons of hemp seeds. That's where your plant protein is really gonna come from, those hemp seeds. Okay, half a tablespoon of black garlic powder. What was that? 2 teaspoons of dried basil, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of yellow mustard, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and mix that in. Maybe squish the tomato a little bit. Once you get it kind of mixed in pretty good, you could put the lid on and simmer for 5 minutes on medium heat. Okay, now here's how we're going to blend the sauce properly. Now scoop out the solids and put them in your blender first. And blend those by themselves until you get a smooth, saucy consistency. And then carefully pour the rest of what was in the pot, the liquid portion, into the blender as well. Okay, set that aside. Bring a pinch of olive oil to heat. You don't have to add more oil if you don't want to. And just start to sear those noodles. Zoodles. Just for 30 seconds or so. And then you're gonna pour the sauce back into the pan with the zoodles. This was actually really, really delicious. When I was done, I added about 1 or 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast on the top. I just really like it. You don't have to add it if you don't like it, but I love it, so that's what I did. And that's that. The full recipe with ingredients and directions will be in the description of this video. So is the link to my free plant-based recipe ebook if you want to download that. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.